Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and today we're going to be covering the Tazz Caspian and this beautiful spotted print. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and styling segment. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and reviews. Today we're going to be talking about the Tazz Caspian, and this is in the spotted print. We'll start with the overview, jump into size and fit, followed by how I style this. A really cool leopard print color scheme. Then we'll conclude with where you can find these and how much they're currently going on the retail market. Let's jump right into it. So as far as this print goes, I think this is honestly one of the best prints that I've seen on any of the Ugg silhouettes. I feel like Ugg does such a great job with their classic colorways, but it is nice when they kind of mix a nice print onto their different silhouettes. Specifically, I feel like it looks amazing on the Tazz Caspian. So as far as the material goes, this is actually real calf hair. So it's genuine calf hair all over, and it looks aesthetically really nice, has a nice sheen to it. So when it hits the light, it's got this nice shininess, which just looks amazing, honestly, on this specific silhouette. As far as the silhouette goes, I've done the Tazz on the channel before. This is specifically called the Tazz Caspian, which this also released in different silhouettes. So if you're not a fan of the Tazz Caspian, you can also get this in the Tasman silhouette, which is the single stack of this. You can also get this in the classic Ultra Mini, as well as the Scuffette. I will say that this specific print is actually sold out in a lot of different places. So if you're actually able to snag this print anywhere, lucky you, because this I feel like has been kind of the trendy print. I feel like leopard print honestly has not really been a trend. It has kind of become a staple, just like a black or white solid piece. So this is something I feel like hasn't really transitioned out in the seasons, hasn't really transitioned out for any of the most recent years. So this is definitely something I feel like will stay in fashion for quite some time. As far as the stitching goes, you've got some nice, just subtle brown stitching here. And then we've got the nice braid, Ugg braid collar, which looks quite nice, and the two-tone that they decided to go with, which is black and this kind of beige finish on top of some chocolatey brown. As far as the interior, you're getting the classic Ugg shearling. So you're gonna be nice and toasty all year round, which is quite nice, and also have some nice comfort. As far as the back goes, we've got this nice chocolatey brown pull tab and then the double stack. So this height, just for those of you who are wondering how high this is 1.75 inches. So if you're looking for an Ugg silhouette where you want to get a little more height, which I feel like has been quite popular for a lot of the Ugg specific silhouettes, this is a good one to go with because you're going to be almost 2 inches taller. But if you're not into the height, then transitioning into just the Tasman is also a cool look as well. All right, so as far as the outsole goes, we've got the Ugg branding on the bottom in that chocolatey brown. So let's take a look at those details, then we'll talk about size and fit. fit goes, with this specific silhouette, some of my other Ugg silhouettes that I tend to go with are actually smaller than my regular size. So I'm a woman size 9, and I'll typically size down to an 8. And that has a lot to do with the fact that a lot of the time Uggs will stretch out over time. As far as this one goes though, this fits quite snug. I ended up going with an 8, but I feel like I definitely need a size 9. So for this specific Tazz Caspian, I would highly recommend just sticking true to size on this one. Especially if you're like in a mid-size range, like an 8.5, I would just go with a half a size up. All right, so as far as styling goes, definitely had fun with this leopard print. I feel like this is just such a great fall winter colorway. For the first look, I decided to go with a plaid jacket that was open with this nice chocolatey brown crew neck sweatshirt, and then I wore some simple brown pants.
Images in my head, oh no. Seen the text, and I'm wondering when to get to you. How to get through this crazy view got to me. Oh no, these are my angels. Got me trapped in your web, oh God, I know.
For the next look, kept that same plaid jacket, but kept it closed. I feel like this will go great with any type of trench coat in neutral colorways. And I wore that with some simple brown pants. And then for the last and final look, same brand pants, same crew neck, but this time I layered it with a nice shearling over top of the sweatshirt in a nice cream colorway. I feel like cream tones will also look great with this color scheme.
It's familiar like yesterday. Caught in a rush, I can't escape, but I'm still drawn to you anyway. I keep on running for a sign, but you're still in your own mind. Running out of time, we were running out of time. No sense, images in my head, oh no. Seen the text, and I'm wondering when to get to you. How to get through this crazy view got to me.
All right, so as far as the price goes, these are priced at $155, and hopefully you can find these in store at a Ugg retailer or an Ugg store near you, or online if they're still available, but this has been selling out pretty much everywhere. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We'll catch you all next episode.
Way too